Hi guys, so this is how you're going to do your BNB Smart Chain distribution for Ice Network for verification. This after the other verification, when you want to mine, this will come up. It will help so that you can get your IceCon distribution. Okay, so you click continue. Then now what you do next is to click to copy this. Click to copy here. Alright, so you see, say like and repost it with quotes using the exact text. Now you can click here and it will take you to your X wallet, but this is what I want direct. Alright, so I go to search for Ice. Okay, so this is the Ice, the official Ice now. Ice blockchain official channel. Alright, so now when you get to Ice blockchain, the official channel, you are expected to take the pinned post. You can see it's written here pinned, so that's the post we need now. So you take the pinned post. Then first of all, remember I say like, so we'll like, so you see it has changed to red showing we like. Then you click this, which is the repost option. You click that. Now they say quotes, so not to repost. You click quotes. Remember, we have already copied the post. This post here, we copied it from there when we left there. So you put here, and then now we pasted that post. Then you can click to repost now. Okay, when you click to repost, yes, look at it here at the top. Yes, I immediately appeared at the top. I quickly clicked it so that I can get it highlighted. So I can come down here to copy the link. Copy link. Now we minimize and come back to this place, so we can now click continue. Okay, click continue. Okay, sorry, we're supposed to have clicked this earlier to open. But we passed that stage already, so we'll just click that so that you go on with the process. Then we click continue now, then confirm. So we can now paste the link which we got from reposting and click to verify. Click to verify. It will count for a few seconds, like about 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, and it will be verified. So that's it. Once you are done with that, you are done with creating your account, the link in the account.